All right, we're gonna do a quick walk around on this 17 Carrera 4S, kind of showcasing the paint. Front end has PPF. Let's see, wheels, date codes are 22s. Top's in fairly good condition as well. Let's take a look inside here. Posted a top operation video. Everything works as it should. All the leather's in great condition as well. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, you can also use the contact seller button. And good luck with the rest of the auction.